As entrepreneurs, you got to take control of your life. You got to make sure that you take control of your mental, your spiritual, and also your physical health. If you don't have anything going with any of these three things, you're going to be hard pressed to actually achieve what you want to. As an entrepreneur in life, as a personal goal or gains, you got to take control of those things. So for me, I decided I wanted to get better with my physical health. So one of the things I actually discovered was these pods. And my son, he's into soccer and try to find different ways to be able to get not only him active, but also to keep my daughter active and also my wife. And I found that these pods here, it's called Blaze Pod. I got my first set probably about 3 weeks ago, and they have worked out really great. It has several different drills you can be able to do pertaining to sports, pertaining just to fitness, and it's really fun and very interactive. So we've been able to challenge ourselves using these pods. So if you look here, I actually got me another box of pods because they only come 4 in a pack, or you may be able to get 6 in the pack, I believe. But for the most part, this will allow us to be able to do multiple stations at the same time instead of having to wait at once at a time. But if you're looking for a really great workout, I highly recommend these pods. There, you can get them on Amazon. I think I bought my first set actually from eBay. But for the most part, Amazon definitely has them. You can go to the website. I'll put a link inside the description so you'll be able to find your next pair. They had a great sale over Memorial Day. They usually have a sale going on, so you can definitely find these at a really good price. And I have a box below there that will allow it to stay stable when I have it in the grass or in the concrete. So that's probably another accessory you probably want to think about getting when getting this. But yeah, it's 2023. There's no time to actually waste. We got to be able to get our health in order and have enough energy to be able to push when it's time as an entrepreneur, to be able to have that physical strength, to be able to have the energy to be able to work those long hours, to be able to get up early, go late. So check these out. I think they're really great. Pair them with your weight training activities and other ways of physical activity. And I think if you do have kids, they will love them as well, because it's more like a game as opposed to, hey, I got to go out here and do this workout. And it's really great for speed and agility if you have kids that are working in different sports like football, basketball, soccer, and any other sport that you can think of. They're really great for that. So check them out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your experience is so far. I love them. And that's why I got another pair, well, not a pair, another set of 4 to be able to help with bringing the whole family in at the one time. So talk to you soon, and be blessed.